Hello student, this is a question from JEE Main 2018. Question is x square plus y square plus sin y equal to 4. Then we need to find value of d square y by dx square at point minus 2 comma 0. Let us see how to solve this question. We have given function is x square plus y square plus sin y equal to 4. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. We get 2x plus 2y into dy by dx plus cos y dy by dx equal to 0. Simplify this equation. Minus 2x plus 2y plus cos y dy by dx equal to 0. From the above equation we get dy by dx which is equal to minus 2x divided by 2y plus cos y. Now again differentiate this function with respect to x. Apply the concept of if two function is given uv, then differentiation is given as v into u dash minus v dash into u divided by v square. Apply this concept and differentiate this function and put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0 and you will get your final answer. And after doing differentiation we get this function and put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0, we get d square y by dx square. Double differentiation of the function, we get this is equal to minus 34. So minus 34 is our final answer. So here option A is correct, minus 34. You can also watch this short video on the concept we used to solve our problem. And this concept can also be found in class 11 mathematics book on page number 306 and line number 15. And also this concept can be found in differential calculus Aryan mathematics book on page number 327 and line number 10. Thank you.